Okay guys, so the next thing we have here is the chicken noodle guys, and you can see how amazing it's looking, well loaded with chicken and amazing vegetables here guys. So let's have the first taste of Chinese chicken noodles from Nepal. Yo, wait a minute guys. I'm not big fan of noodles, but let's just try it. They also add some fried potato on it guys, chicken with fried potato. This is so tasty guys, this is so amazing. And what I love about the way they cook guys, it's like they are not adding any much of any masala. Like you know, like there is a lot of masala like chicken noodles, chicken masala is there, and variety of masala they can use, right? Like pepper masala, chili, and chicken masala. The way they cook it, they make sure everything is well balanced and tasty guys. This is so amazing, so nice. Like anyone can easily consume this guys. This is so tasty, and I just love how like they give much of chicken, fried potato, and it's also soupy guys. You need to mix it properly, and this out of 10 also I give it 9 guys. This is so tasty, I love it guys, and you can see the noodles here is so thick guys. This is so thick noodles I'm eating, which is worth the price.